Welcome. In this video we'll learn about eye detection and tracking. Eye detection works very similar to face detection. Instead of using a face cascade file, we will use an eye cascade file. Open directory which contains my all files. Open HAR cascade files for face, eye and nose. You can download this all XML file from the site. It is available as open source. Or else if you download the zip file which comes with this course, you will get these files also in it. Go to search and search for Python IDE. So here is idetector.py. First let's see what output we will get from this eye detection and tracking. I have opened the script, that is idetector.py. Let's move to the output now. So here I will go to run and click on run module. It's starting. You can see here it is detecting my eyes. Instead of eyes, if I make a hole in my hand, you can see it's not detecting. This is how eye detection and tracking works. Let me close this script. So the library is so good that it will differentiate between the eye and any other similar to the eye. Now let's see the code behind it. First one, import CV2, which you all know. Import numpy as np, and let's load the HAR cascade file corresponding to face and eye detection. So face cascade, eye cascade, you can see the XML files are HAR cascade, frontal face default.xml, and the new one we are going to use here is HAR cascade underscore eye.xml. Now let's check if the face cascade file has been loaded correctly. If face cascade.mt raise IO error, unable to load the face cascade classifier XML file, that is to check if the face cascade file has been loaded correctly. Now check if the eye cascade file has been loaded correctly, that is if eye cascade.mt, that is raise IO error, unable to load eye cascade classifier XML file. Now let's initialize the video capture object, that is cap cv2.videoCapture. As we saw in the last video, if you are using secondary camera, then instead of 0 in video capture, it should be 1. Now define the scaling factor, that is ds factor equals to 0.5. Now iterate indefinitely until the user presses escape key, that is while true. Now capture the current frame, that is frame equals to cap.read. Now resize the frame equals to cv2 resize frame none, fx equal to ds factor, fy equals to ds factor, interpolation equals to cv2 dot inter area. Now run the face detector on the grayscale image, that is faces equal to face cascade detect multiscale gray 1.35. For each face that's detected, run the eye detector for x, y, w, h in faces. For each face detected, run the eye detector within that region, that is ROI underscore gray equals to gray, y plus h, x plus w. Extract the color face ROI color equals to frame. Now run the eye detector on grayscale ROI, that is eyes equals to eye cascade detect multiscale ROI gray. Now draw circles around the eyes and display the output. For xi, yi, wi, hi in eyes, center, radius, color, thickness. CV2 circle ROI center, radius, color, thickness. Now display the output window here, that is cv2.imshow eye detector, frame. Now check if the user hit the escape button. So c equals to cv2.wait key 1. If c equals to 27, break. Release the video capture object cap.release. Once you exit the loop, make sure to release the video capture object and close all windows. That is cv2 destroy all windows. Now let's move to the output now. Go to run and run my script. Here you can see that once you run it, we'll observe the window here. As I move here and there, you can observe the circle for the eyes will move with me. At the beginning of video, I have already demonstrated it. So that's how we can do eye tracking. So that's it in this video. Thank you for watching this video.